Hello, Saf Gang. Today, let's explore the difference between proof of work and proof of stake. Think of them as two different ways to keep a digital ledger, like a checkbook, but in a digital and more advanced way, without the old-fashioned hassle of pen and paper. First, proof of work. Imagine a group of miners, not with pickaxes and helmets, but with supercomputers, solving complex puzzles to validate transactions and earn coins. This is like Bitcoin. It's secure but consumes a lot of energy, like a teenager devouring food at an all-you-can-eat buffet. Now, proof of stake. Here, instead of mining, you get a special role in the crypto community by owning coins. It's like being part of a club where the more money you have, the more influence you hold. It's much less energy-consuming than proof of work. Think of it as trading in your gas-guzzling monster truck for an efficient electric scooter. So which is better, proof of work or proof of stake? And don't worry, we will do a separate detailed video to dive deeper into these concepts. Until then, understanding how it works is key. See you in the next episode.